Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits in an air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees F and position a rack or parchment for airflow. Keep butter cold and use chilled dough to create flaky layers. Space biscuits with at least 1 inch between each to allow expansion. Check at 8 minutes and rotate the tray if needed to brown evenly. Let rest briefly before serving for best texture. Keep a light hand when making biscuit dough to preserve tenderness and layers. Use a scale or spoon and level to measure flour accurately for repeatable batches. Cut cold butter into small pieces about 1–2 inch so it distributes well and creates steam pockets. Fold dough gently and stop mixing once ingredients hold together to prevent gluten development. Chill the dough briefly if it softens before shaping and cooking. Cooking biscuits in the air fryer is quick and forgiving when you follow simple steps. Arrange biscuits in a single layer with about 1 inch between them so hot air circulates evenly. Bake at 375 degrees F and check at 8 minutes, adding time as needed until tops are golden and centers are cooked. Brush with melted butter right after cooking to enhance flavor and softness. Let biscuits rest a few minutes before serving for the best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.